So, today, I do not have co-founder with me, unfortunately, because it is 11:20 at night. But, today, we will be getting some content system stuff down. In one of my short form videos that I posted on my Instagram, I talked about how on this video, or this channel, I'm going to start researching about content systems and creating one, and learning how to create one so that I can do a better job at creating content. There's still a freaking watermark on this one right now. Yeah. I mean, I know most of content making is just posting consistently, because at these tech companies' core that show people the content, at the core of it, it's just they need content so that they can show it to people, and then also have people be able to run ads on their platform. So that's how they make most of their actual money. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to be starting in this video. I think we're just going to start with what is content systems. We might get into a Google Gemini chat. We might check a few things on how the website's going, edit a few things, give some updates about what is going on with the business right now. Here, let's go ahead and do that. So, a few days ago, I actually got it registered as a official LLC. So we are now completely official, and I got a employer identification number for the LLC. So we're good there as well. Next difficult part is going to be getting a bank account set up with the LLC. It's going to be a little bit of a problem because I'm a minor, but I think we can get past that. So, yeah. Before we get started, let me get some water. It is officially over. Officially over. Except for this one. Alright, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and readjust. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and open up Gemini. Let's go over what a content system is. What is a content system? Content system is an underlying framework that manages the entire life cycle of digital information, from the moment someone has an idea to the moment it's published, archived, or deleted. Think of it as the nervous system of a brand's communication. It isn't just a single app, it's a combination of people, processes, and technology working together to ensure content is consistent and useful. The 3 pillars of a content system. Understand how these systems work to break down. It helps to break them down into 3 main categories. The technology, okay? Content management system. WordPress. Wait, what? This is the software where content is stored and edited. WordPress, where back-end code and front-end design are tied together. What? Headless CMS, where content is stored as pure data and sent to different devices, phones, watches, websites, via APIs. Huh? The strategy, content architecture. A system needs a map. This involves defining taxonomy. What? How you label and categorize content. Metadata, models. Oh, Okay. Defining what piece content looks like. Must always have a price, an image, and a description. This is the who does what. A healthy content system defines rules. Who's the writer, the editor, the legal reviewer? What the fuck? Okay, bro. Why bother with a system? Without a system, content becomes bloatware, repetitive, outdated, or impossible to find. A robust system provides scalability, consistency, efficiency, and searchability. You can publish 10 different platforms without rewriting text 10 times. Your brand sounds the same whether it's on a billboard or a mobile app. Automate handles the boring stuff. Okay. Okay. Searchability. Proper tagging makes it easy for both the users and AI to find what they need. Pro tip. In modern design, we often talk about content design systems. This is where content systems. Okay. Shit. Well, I want to make a content system for my digital marketing. If you're watching this and don't know what my digital marketing agency is, it is in my bio, allsun.com. Go check it out if you want to promote yourself online. Really of just me working on stuff, and also some UGC style content about my work. What are some things that I need to know before I can go about creating a content system? And what are the actionable steps system? Oh, bro, my content system right now is so trash. I'm just recording. I'm recording me working. I'm recording me working to hopefully build some credibility so that I can tell people, hey, I've done this 1,000 times before. So I can hopefully start telling people that. That's the goal for this. That's why I'm making these videos. And it's honestly the boring work that gets you where you want to be. So I know this isn't the most entertaining stuff in the world, but it's not supposed to be. So, oh, let's switch back to moving from posting what I'm doing to a formal content is exactly what I'm training. Freelancer mind towards a scalable business. Before you need to understand the system, friction, and decision fatigue. You shouldn't have to wonder what do I, because the system already decided. Wait, that would be really nice. If I wouldn't have to think about what I needed to do for content. Things to know before you build. Content is modular. Stop thinking of a post as a single unit. Think of it as a Lego brick. A 10-minute video of you working can be broken up to a 30-second deep work reel with trending audio. A LinkedIn carousel with 3 Twitter thread on how I solved problem X. Okay, just making sure. The 70-20-10 rule. Tips, how to, behind the scenes, and industry news. So I could take information from competitors that are doing well and see how to repurpose their content into my own. Interessante. I might go build this with N8N, so. Not sure though. System does not equal automation. Automation, scheduling posts are the last steps. The system is actually the standard operating procedure that happens before you hit schedule. Okay? Pick 4 core topics you will always talk about. Create a content funnel. The engine. Set up a simple workflow in a tool like Notion, Trello, or even Google Sheets. Every idea must move. Raw ideas and showering thoughts. In progress scripting or filming. Editing. Adding captions, music, and cuts. Ready/approved. Final assets ready for upload. Logged into your posting tool. Here's what I'm thinking right now. We have a tool that constantly updates information on a schedule and pumps out ideas on a schedule based off of what it's seen from my previous posts. It will go and read what's on my previous posts, what's happening there, and then from competitors, what's doing well there, and give me ideas. And I can say, hey, let's act on this idea. It's a good idea. Let's act on it. And the system will be like, okay, here are some short form style videos that you could do. Here are some longer form videos that you can do. Or I could just make an app. Or like a website. Let's see. Content management systems. Adobe website CMS solution. Hmm. I might just have to do it with N8N. Let's load it up. Let's load it up. Let's see what we got here. What is the command for installing the latest version of N8N? Let's just go ahead and make sure we have the latest installation of N8N. Boom. Okay. Not exactly sure how it would work in N8N. Holy shit, can't talk. Oh, bro, we need some people in the chat or something. Join, please. Let's see what it's doing. This probably isn't going to be the longest stream. I mean, I've been streaming for 46 minutes, but that was me doing some shenanigans. So, yeah. I'm not sure how long I'm going to record for. There's no way I'm going to get all this content system done tonight. But, yeah. I also want to go see what this Claudebot stuff is about. Because I've been hearing about it. And how it can, like, open up applications, use API keys, without you having to prompt it to do that stuff. And, of course, N8N can do that. But you can also chat with it, like, on Telegram or Discord or whatever. And you can just kind of have it go do stuff for you. So, I might have to go see what that's about. Because that would be very interesting, I think. I could have it access applications on my computer while I'm at school. And do things on my computer while I'm at school. So. Yeah. This is a, long download. I guess we don't have to be looking at that. Go about making one for a digital marketing agency like me. Should I go to an 8N? Build up automation. It's done for me. Notion. You then do while I'm in there. Start. What do I really start to do? Want to build one Okay, let's see. Okay, that's completed. So we can go ahead and... What? Failed to start Python? Yeah, that's what I freaking thought, bro. Sign in. Oh, yeah. Chat Hub. Chat with custom agents and N8N workflows. N8N just got a chat interface.
We turned N8N into a chat interface. Starting in version 2.5 and above, Chat Hub is accessible right from the sidebar in N8N. This new interface is your new hub for all things AI chat. When we press the new chat, it opens up with the last agent you used, but you can click on the label on the top left and switch it to a different agent that you want. The first two options, personal agent and workflow agents, are the coolest parts here, and I will show you their power in a second, but you can also just use a model straight from the provider if that's more your thing. And yes, you still need to connect your AI provider's API keys like OpenAI to use them. I did that and selected the models I want displayed in the settings beforehand. For the two types of agents, you can switch to or even create one from that same menu on the left, or you can click on the side panel, which will show you all of the agents you have access to, which is also split up by personal and workflow agents. I know I can hear you asking, what's the difference between them? So the personal agents are dead simple to make. You just pick a model, and add a system prompt, which gives the agents its purpose and personality. And you can add tools if you need them. Right now there's only a few, but we will be opening this up to our entire tool catalog soon. And that's all it takes to create a personal agent. The idea of this is to make something that anybody can set up even without any technical knowledge. But the workflow agents, I think, are much cooler, and they are definitely way more powerful. Let's make one of those as well. They are workflow based, so we're going to start off with a fresh workflow. Workflows need a chat trigger with the available in Chat Hub toggle enabled. Then we need to add an agent node with a model and memory. And all that's left to do is publish the workflow, and then it should be available in the Chat Hub under Workflow Agents. And then every message you send and receive in here is actually working through that workflow that we made. We can actually click on the info button, and it will take us right to the execution of that exact message, which is super amazing for debugging. Hopefully you can start to see the potential here. There's
Thanks, bud. Chat Hub. Start with GPT 5.2. Oh my gosh. SERP AI. Yeah, I don't even know what this thing is on about, but okay, bro. Yeah, like, I have no idea where to start. This is... Let's go back to Gemini. Building a content system is about moving from working in the business, posting what you did today, to working on the business. Start a Notion. Do not go to N8N yet. Automation is the roof of your house. Notion is the foundation. If you automate a messy process, you create a high-speed mess. You need a place to think, store, and organize before you try to make it run on autopilot. Type. What the freak? Holy, I have so much open. Okay, I don't need that. Wait, do I? I don't think I do. Fuck. No, I'm so locked. No, we need to stay locked. We need to stay locked. Go to settings. Okay, yeah, I obviously needed to keep the terminal open, but I didn't. So that's okay. But I do need to go to, what do you call it? Obsidian. always on. Okay. Um. Wait, what? Okay, you'll just have to look at my face for a second. Can I use Obsidian instead of Notion? Many agency owners prefer it's faster, works offline, and keeps your data in simple files. You own. So do I need Notion? Okay. I guess I'll get Notion. What the freak? I need to stop yawning. I'm in the middle of a stream. Okay, I think work. No. The shallow man can never be his best. If I didn't have your touch to see the sun, you taught me how to be someone. Yeah, all my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me. Always allow. Oh, holy mackerel. Yes. This fan control app is so stupid. It doesn't even work. Can't even go on and control my fans anymore. It's so annoying. Okay, I guess I can go ahead and open this back up now. What the freak? I'm not scared of the dark. Never seen it look so easy. I got a river for a soul, baby, oh, bow. Friday night, there will be nothing left. The shell of a man can never be his best. Click anywhere below and type to see what you can create. Where is it? Boom. Okay, so I can just put. It's just where you can put stuff. What? Mention a person? Holy mackerel. You never seen it look so easy. You got a river for a soul. Baby, you're a bow. Baby, you're my own man. If I didn't have you, there would be nothing left. The shell of a man can never be his best. Isn't there an API key for Notion? Got a river full of soul. Baby, you're a boat. Baby, you're my own. If I didn't have you, shall of man could never be his best. If I didn't have you, I could. Bro, it's Valentine's Day. You can't make fun of me. We need some water. This is my workflow. Just like messing around with random stuff until I figure stuff out. Board view? I think that's what it said. What the hell did it just give me? Stop it. Delete this. No, get this the hell out of here. The shell of a man can never be bad. Content man system. Series. Post on YouTube. Long form videos, and I want to start making UGC style content, or like UGC style short form content on other social media platforms like Instagram. I'm so cooked right now. I don't know what's going on. Bro, we might need to fall back in the chair, bro. I start using this in my videos so that I can get views. Like Instagram. But I have never made a content system before. Want it to be scalable, and I could start to link to other tools like N8N. In the future. This is actually really nice if this works how I think it's going to. Something went wrong. It better not have. This is where we go and check chatter. Unfortunately, nobody is in the chatter. If you're seeing this on YouTube, go watch me on Twitch. There's more content. I post for longer on Twitch. You can see it right here. I've been live streaming for an hour and 11 minutes. But I've been recording for 50. So, if you want the real deal, go to Twitch. It's like on the weekends. Weekend nights, mostly. It's Sunday now, I guess, but yeah. Oh my lord. I hope it's doing its job well. Let's go back to Gemini. I am of course going to detail how I'm going to make this content system. But I will also, depending on how advanced, how complex this content system is, I will be sharing the actual content system. Depending. But yeah. This is annoying. What is it doing? Did it take this long? Okay, bro. Let's go see what OpenClaw is about, because that's some interesting stuff, if I do say so myself. OpenClaw. Automation without coding. This is Amazon, you freaking bums. The AI that actually does things. Yeah, AI already does that. Clears your inbox, sends emails, manages your calendar, checks you in for flights, all from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app you already use. Works everywhere, installs everything, you're welcome. What it does, runs on your machine. Talk to it on any... Persistent memory requires you, or remembers you and becomes uniquely yours. Your preferences, your content, your AI. It can browse the web, fill forms, and extract data from any site. Full system, read and write files, run shell commands. Extend with community plugins or build your own. The shell of a man can never be spelled. If I multi. I run on Claude Opus 4.5. I run the castle. Who is this guy? Yeah, I guess, bro. iMessage. Okay. Peter Steinberg? Who is this? Who is Peter Steinberg? Yo, is that Peter Steinberg? Yo, this kid's ripped. Okay, I guess I should be the one calling myself a kid, but... Holy mackerel. But he's not ripped here. Okay, that's Peter Steinberg. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. I created OpenClaw and it runs my life. Freaking bums. This better be done. Better not freaking run into an issue again. Man, it can never be his best. Node 2.3 or anywhere. Bash. See, I just don't know about, like, giving it a bunch of access to stuff. I don't know, bro. It's, like, scary. Scary. God. Let's see what it does. Stop running into freaking errors. Do I seriously need a... What do you mean something went wrong completing this request? Maybe this will work. Like, okay, bro. Here's what's gonna happen. Vibing. Please stop. for now, it is just me. But to add my co-founder, be able to see what is going on as well. Computing. Okay. Yes, build it. Pondering. This is fucking annoying. What is this? Add property? New. New page. I'm so confused. Why is it all to the... This looks so weird. Wait. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. A shell of a mannequin. Here, can I move all of this? What the fuck? Be someone all my life. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and copy this. We're just gonna go ahead and install OpenClaw right now, because I want to see what it's about. The script contains malicious content. What? It contains malicious content. I just tried. Stole. You know, I hope in the future I have some more entertaining content. I can talk about how I did this every day until I had some capital to do something more interesting. Maybe do some like lifestyle content. But this is how it is right now. So I gotta just do this boring work. Malicious. It's a good thing your system blocked it. Is it different? Here, let's check this. The shell of a man can never be. No, why did it just install something on my computer? No, 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 no. Yeah, I probably just cooked my computer. Inspect the script. If you don't see... What the f... Wait, is it wants me to run this here? Status code content header. What? How do you... Windows Sandbox. Okay, like, I know this is super annoying. I don't even know what's going on. I better be on Windows Pro. I don't even know, bro. Yeah, let's at least see some like measurable progress tonight. Let's go and check Google Analytics for something, bro. Ah, shit. gosh, I need to add some more content to it. These are probably all bots. I actually can't do this for tonight. No lie, I'm so cooked. I'm installing OpenCall. I'm seeing what this content system stuff about. I'm gonna share it. Yeah, that's actually it. I don't know why I'm so cooked right now.